Facebook's Instant Experience, formerly known as Canvas, is an immersive ad format that provides a full-screen experience when users click on the ad. It allows you to create a captivating and interactive mobile ad experience that can include images, videos, product catalogs, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook's Instant Experience ad format. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goals for the Instant Experience ad. Common objectives include traffic, conversions, or catalog sales, depending on your specific objective. 4. Configure ad set. In the ad set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your audience to match the characteristics of those who are likely to engage with your Instant Experience ad. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. Instant Experience ads are designed for mobile devices, so ensure that placements include Facebook and Instagram feeds. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Select Instant Experience ad format. In the Ad Creative section, choose the Instant Experience format. This option allows you to create a full-screen, interactive ad experience. 7. Choose a template or build from scratch. Facebook offers templates to help you get started with Instant Experience ads. Alternatively, you can choose to build your Instant Experience from scratch for more customization. 8. Add components to your Instant Experience. Components are elements you can include in your Instant Experience, such as images, videos, buttons, and product sets. Add components based on the content you want to showcase. 9. Customize text and headlines. Customize text and headlines within your Instant Experience to provide context, information, or calls to action. Ensure that your messaging is concise and compelling. 10. Include product sets, optional. If applicable, you can include product sets in your Instant Experience to showcase specific products with images, descriptions, and pricing. 11. Implement interactive features. Take advantage of interactive features such as tilt-to-pan images, carousels, and buttons to engage users within the Instant Experience. Create a seamless and enjoyable user journey. 12. Utilize instant forms, optional. If your goal is lead generation, you can include instant forms within your Instant Experience. Users can fill out a form without leaving the ad, making the process more convenient. 13. Preview your Instant Experience. Use the preview feature to see how your Instant Experience will appear on different devices. Ensure that your ad is visually appealing and that the interactive elements work smoothly. 14. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your Instant Experience ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 15. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your Instant Experience ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 16. Engage with users. Respond to comments and engage with users who interact with your Instant Experience ad. Encourage them to explore the interactive features and take the desired action. 17. Coordinate with landing pages. Ensure that the landing pages or destination URLs align with the content of your Instant Experience. Consistency between the ad and the landing page enhances the user experience. 18. Optimize for mobile. Instant Experience ads are designed for a mobile-first experience. Ensure that your content is optimized for mobile devices to deliver a seamless and visually appealing user experience. 19. Utilize video and image quality. Use high-quality images and videos within your Instant Experience for a visually appealing presentation. Clear and captivating visuals can significantly enhance user engagement. 20. Utilize insights for optimization. Leverage Facebook Insights to gather data on user interactions with your instant experience ad. Analyze user behavior, click-through rates, and engagement to optimize future instant experience ads for better results. By following these steps, you can create an engaging and immersive Facebook instant experience ad that provides users with a rich and interactive mobile ad experience. Regularly analyze performance metrics to refine your strategy and optimize future instant experience ads for better engagement and results. So that's it. See you soon.